Good morning, everyone. Today, I'm gonna take a final exam for our PLDC. PLDC means Pastor and Leadership Training Course. So, I'm so scared. Hindi naman ako kasing, talino. Ito yun siya, guys. I will try my best. Kasama yung mga classmate ko, hindi pa sila dumating. So, by Zoom lang siya. Tapos, take our exam for 2 hours. And then, lunch. Please pray for me na makasagot, na mayroong napasok sa utak ko. Because it's very hard. Ang dami. I will try my best.